I was looking for stuff to laser clean, and I had been eyeing up my barbecue grill for a while. I know laser cleaning is great on grease, rust, oil. So let's see what it does on this grill grate. So I removed it and took it out and cleaned it up. I did half of the grill grate, and then this video I've sped up the cleaning process so that it's not as long as it was in real life. It took about 13 minutes to do the job that you see here. One thing that I will do when I clean the rest of this is I will get a wire brush along with me so that I can brush off some of the real heavy grease. The big chunks that stick to the grate, they do loosen up quite nicely, as you will see when I am trying to pick them off with my fingers in the video here. But I think this is a great way to clean your barbecue grill without using chemicals or anything that could get close to your food. So sit back and watch with me. I didn't clean it all the way to perfect, but I did a really decent cleanup job on this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. And if you live in the Northeast Ohio area and you need something clean, get in contact with me at phoenixlasercleaning.com.